Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Adam Van Fleet from MarineMax. Today, we're going to be checking out one of the new hulls from Sea Ray. This is the 270 SDX in the outboard configuration. As we check out the outer part of the boat here, you will notice this is a full hull color with the horizon gray. You do have a power top with a bimini, and on the back, you get the upgraded Mercury 400. We're going to jump in. I'll show you a few more features. We'll check out the inside. As you step on the back of the swim platform on the boat, you'll notice an awesome lounge setup here. Ski pylon if you're doing water sports. Sea deck across the entire swim platform, and a beautiful starboard side entryway. Now that we're up here in the cockpit of the 270 SDX, you can see the beautiful seating layout we have here. Nice upholstery with the diamond stitch on the backs there. You do have storage underneath all of these seats, as well as reversible backrests, which will extend your entertainment area here. One of the coolest features I like, because we have the outboard model, is under this seat here. This whole thing pops up on a nice gas strut, and you have a ton of storage under here. So whether it's extra chairs, whether it's, beach bags and all that stuff, tuck it right under there and it's not going to be in anybody's way. As we move up to the helm, you have Simrad screens that are completely integrated. You do have some repetitive hard buttons here, Lenco trim tabs, and a digital throttle and shift with Mercury active trim right on there. You have a flip-up bolster, so depending on how you like to drive the boat, you have a double position there. Port side, let me jump out of your way here. You have your Fusion radio, a lock and glove box for your phone, wallet, keys, storage down below, and then over here, you have a beautiful head under here. As you move to the front of the boat, this is where you have your difference in the new hull design. So you can see how much wider it is, but it still remains a deep V hull. I should say still remains. They've renewed the hull so that you have a deep V hull up front rather than the old deck boat style, which is going to give you a lot better running surface. Cup holders are up there. This particular one does have a windlass, and then of course you have sea deck. So when you're jumping off the bow when you're swimming, you don't slip. This is going to complete the walkthrough of the 270 SDX. This one's inside our beautiful showroom in MarineMax Danvers. My name is Adam. If you have any questions about this one or any other boat, feel free to give us a shout. Thanks.